will show you how to make a beaded snake keychain. Need it to go on your backpack or something like that. Here, today I will show you the steps to make one of these. Okay, first, you're gonna wanna take your cord and take the two ends and put them together, make sure they're even. And then you're gonna wanna slide your finger down so it creates a little loop. Take your other hand, grab that loop. And then you're gonna wanna put your keychain over it. And then you're gonna wanna grab the rest of your string, put it through the loop you created, and grab it through. And that should tie a knot like this. This is what your knot should look like. Okay, and then you're gonna wanna set your bead thing down. You could tape it to a surface if you want. And you're gonna choose a string to start off with. So I'll start off with this side of string. You're gonna wanna take one head bead and put it on the string like that. Don't put it all the way down yet, because then you're gonna wanna take the other side and you're gonna wanna put it through the bottom. You're gonna wanna take both pieces of string and pull it, and it should look like that. And then you're gonna wanna take 2 beads for the next row and then put it on. And then, like before, you're gonna wanna take the other string and put it through the bottom of your thing. Beads. After you do this for a while, it gets easier and easier. Okay, the next row is gonna be your 2 eyes and one your body color beads. So first you're gonna go eye, body color bead, and then the second eye. And then after that, you're gonna wanna loop it, the other one, through the bottom, just like you did the first 2 times. And then pull it all the way up. At this point, that should be what your thing looks like. If not, rewatch the video until I start talking about it and try to do it again. The next one is gonna be 2 normal color beads, 2 main body color beads. And then again, you're gonna wanna loop it through, just put it through the beads from the bottom, like that. And then you're gonna wanna pull it up so it looks like that. And then the next row will be your first row of stripes. So whatever color you want for your stripes, put it on. Black is sort of matches with the string, but you do the same thing that you did for every single other bead. You loop it through, you put it through the bottom beads, and then you're gonna wanna pull it all the way up. And now it's time for the next row, and it's gonna be the normal body color beads again. Put it on, and put it through, grab the other end, and put it up. Like that. No matter what type of keychain you're doing, you're still gonna have to do the same steps. Put the beads on and then loop it through. For other designs, there's another technique to it, but most are putting the beads on and then take the other string, loop it through. Okay, so now the next layer after that is going to be one of your stripes. So you're going to want to put it through like every other time and go like that. The next layer is going to be your main color thing. And again, you're going to take it, put it through the bottom like this. And pull the strings until it's like that. And the process repeats. Oh. Okay, next row is going to be your normal body color beads. The snake sort of looks like a bumblebee. Okay, and then your next layer is going to be the stripe. And then you're going to take 2 black beads. And then you should have 1 bead left. So you should have 2 beads after your black row, and you're going to take one of those and loop it through like you did for every other one. You should have 1 bead remaining. Oh, it keeps like coming apart. Okay, and now it should look like this. We're going to want to tie it. Like that. Tie it again. And if you want to make it extra secure, you could put a dab of like super strong glue, like Gorilla Glue or something, but be careful it doesn't get on your finger. And just put a dab and then hold it like this for a little until it dries. And then you could do a 3rd knot and make sure it's super tight and pull it super hard. Like that. And just make sure it's not going nowhere, the knot. And then you're gonna, once you're done with that, you're gonna need to snip the excess off. Like that. And you're gonna have your very own
beaded snake keychain, as easy as that.